Investing, they'll often think along the lines of $1,000 or more. And since we've all been made to believe that the financial market only favors investors with a big stash of cash to put away, a lot of people allow this mindset to slow down their investment goals. But what if I told you that you can start building your wealth with as little as $100? See, when it comes to investing, all you need to do is get started, and there is never too little money to invest. As long as you educate yourself to learn exactly where to invest that $100, then your chances of making it count will skyrocket. Luckily, boss, in this video, I'm going to take you through the 5 best investments under $100, and if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button below for more life-changing content. Investment number 1, individual stocks. The first investment option that requires $100 or less is investing in the stock market. See, we all know how intimidating the stock market looks from a distance, and it's expected for anyone to sit back and think, that's only for the top dogs. But what if I told you that you don't necessarily need thousands of dollars for you to get your investment portfolio off the ground through company stocks? Most people often overlook the possibility of buying individual dividend stocks, which can be a very cheap investment option. When you invest in a stable and profitable company by buying dividend stocks, you will earn dividends as the company makes profits. This means that if you start with one single stock today and you earn dividends as time goes by, you can reinvest your dividends and buy more stocks. The strategy of reinvesting your dividends is commonly referred to as a DRIP, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and this approach has been used by many savvy investors to significantly grow their portfolios. If you leverage the same technique, before you know it, you'll be boasting a secure and diversified investment portfolio in the stock market. Finally, for you to make the most out of this option, take advantage of affordable or free trading services. This way you can eliminate the need for paying costly per trade fees, which will only decrease the amount of money you have. Investment number 2, peer-to-peer lending. If you are looking for another investment option that will exponentially grow your $100, you should look into peer lending. This is a fast-growing and readily accessible investment technique that continues to rank highly in terms of cheap investment options. If you have some cash that can save someone from a financial thunderstorm, all you have to do is find a peer lending service that brings lenders and borrowers together and offer your money for borrowing. Besides saving someone on a financial rainy day, you can also get to earn a high level of interest on your money. Because unlike lending your friend Joe $25 and getting back the same amount, you are likely to get back some double-digit returns. And that's not the end. Peer-to-peer investor lending platforms are also super easy to navigate. So typically, borrowers will approach these platforms for fast loans, after which they will fill out a loan application form. Once their credit evaluation is assessed, the information is then shared with potential investors who will then choose the loans that most appeal to them. And it doesn't matter how much money you have, even with just $25 to test the waters, it's still possible to invest in peer lending. These platforms will also allow you to spread your investment risk by channeling your money towards more than one loan. This means that instead of investing all your money in one loan, you can opt for the partial investment option that allows you to buy small fractions of whole loans, known as notes. Meaning that you can choose to invest $25 in 100 loans instead of investing $2,500 on one loan, which is a smart move in my opinion. And let me mention something else. Peer-to-peer lending services is not a haven for mediocre creditors with subprime credit scores. As a matter of fact, the minimum credit score for the most popular platforms falls at 600 or the mid 600s, which is pretty impressive if we consider the fact that they are online based. This, together with the fact that you get to choose the criteria with which to invest, makes this option viable for someone who wants to see their money grow. You can adjust your investment to match your risk tolerance or even the amount of time over which you are willing to invest your money. And isn't this level of flexibility just perfect? Prosper and Lending Club are the most successful peer-to-peer lending clubs, so if this method of investing appeals to you, then these are the companies you should look into first. Investment number 3, books. On to the next, investing in life-changing books is another low-cost investment that you'll never regret. I can't help but emphasize the numerous benefits that come with being knowledgeable because, trust me, there are many. And I know that you're probably thinking that $100 is too much money to spend on some pages and a cover, But have you ever wondered why some of the wealthiest people in the world are avid readers? For the longest time, books have been hailed as a source of valuable insights for investors and non-investors alike. And if you're looking for an investment that will inspire an improved version of yourself, then this is the way to go. Unlike one-time expenditures such as buying a drink, the intellectual flowering that you'll gain from reading a good book will take you farther in life than you can imagine. You will get to apply this knowledge in so many aspects of your life, which will in turn have great impacts on how you live. And here's the best part. You can read one book as many times as you want, and in case you get tired, you can always pass it on to the next person who will equally gain from reading it. So if you have an extra $100 or less, yet you are clueless on how to invest it, don't look any farther than yourself. Start sourcing some impactful books on virtually any topic that can potentially give your life a well-deserved makeover. It could be a book covering investment tips, acquiring inner peace, attaining physical and mental health, or simply making more money. Just by sparing a few hours out of your day to catch up with such beneficial topics, you will arm yourself with years worth of knowledge, and this will take you a long way. Investment number 4, start a business. Just because you have a small amount of money to invest doesn't infer that starting a business is completely off the table. With $100 or less, you can easily build a business from the ground up and watch your money multiply exponentially. However, we have to acknowledge that starting a business isn't for everyone, especially those who are looking for a quick financial fix. In case you choose this investment road, be prepared to invest money, time, and most importantly effort before you start seeing tangible results. Regardless, starting a business can offer more take-home perks than most other investment options. For one, you get to enjoy all the resulting profits, and secondly, you get to have your entire investment in your hands. This means that you won't have someone doing the work for you and expecting a cut of your rewards as reimbursement. And if that's not motivating enough, then I don't know what is. So if you are a A-type personality that prefers a hands-on investment approach, entrepreneurship is the way to go, and there's no such thing as too little business capital. Especially in a digital world where you can access a global market with the click of a button, you don't have to go through the stresses of opening a costly physical business. As long as you've mastered a specific area of expertise that has a wide target market, you can easily use some little money to build an online platform through which you can access potential clients. Alternatively, you can easily land clients through freelancer websites such as Upwork, some of which are entirely free. Online businesses such as blogging, YouTube, ebook writing, online coaching, dropshipping, and web designing require way less than $100 to start. Buying a website domain will cost you $10 or even less, which makes online business a great idea. And if you love the idea of buying cheap items and reselling them for profit, you will want to open an e-commerce shop with sites like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. Other businesses that require cheap initial investments include property management, personal training, starting a home-based bakery, snow removal, and grocery delivery services. Investment number 5, learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is another smart way to invest $100 or less. Most of us often underestimate the power of investing in a valuable skill, but this is an investment venture that will radically elevate your financial status. Look at it this way. Assuming you want to tap into traditional investment methods like real estate or stocks, but you feel $100 is too little, why not use it to make more money? You can learn how to develop apps, manage websites for big companies, program, craft content, and the list is endless. And in a world where even the most basic skills have impressive earning potentials, you will want to use your $100 to master a skill that will help diversify your income sources, and as a result, help you amass more wealth. For example, when you acquire a new skill, you will have an upper hand in the job market, and this could earn you that promotion you've been eyeing. Or better still, you can easily make a career change and divert into an industry that is better paying. And since every slight climb in the career ladder often comes with higher earnings, you will then be in a better position to venture into other valuable investment options. And that's not all. If the idea of working under someone doesn't sit well with you, you can always tap into the ever-expanding gig economy and offer your services independently. In short, knowing that you should learn a new skill is the easy part. Actually planning what skill you will obtain will take more work.